Masarap? Guys, nakagawa kami ng dalawa. Yan, oh.
Yeah, and I will finish this.
Yeah, oh, diba? So, Andre, what can you say? What can you recommend?
Recommendation, if you are bored, you have to go to your auntie's house and make cookies.
So, that's why you come to my house to make cookies. Hello! Hi, Andre!
Hello!
Ayan. So, today, we're gonna make an experiment. Ayan, mag-i-experiment kami ng aking mahal na pamangkin na si Andre. So, Andre, what we gonna do today?
Bread spreading.
Like Nutella. We gotta experiment how to make a Nutella. Para hindi na kayo bumili. So, sundan nyo na lang kami. Okay? So, tara, simulan na natin. Ready? Okay, ready. Okay, Andre, so what do you need for the chocolate mixture first?
Cornstarch.
You need cornstarch. How many milligrams?
75.
No, 150 because we're gonna double. Okay, put it in your bowl. Yan. O, diba? Ang galing yung pamangkin ko. Okay. And then, how many? You need to mix it with? Milk. How many ml of milk?
I don't know.
Gagamit kami ng Angel Evap. So, we're gonna need 280 ml of Angel Evap. I-mix natin dyan sa cornstarch. Okay. Ilang ml yan? Around 240. Okay. So, we need extra. This one, 1/4. Diba? O, lagyan mo na puno. Punuin mo na yan. O, galing ng aking pamangkin, ha? O, yan. Sige pa, more. More. Go. Make it overflow. A bit more. Okay. Good job. Yan. Alright. Okay. Whisk it. Okay. Just in one direction, ha? Okay. Okay, so Andre is whisking. Dapat without lump. lump. Okay, so tingnan natin if na-mix na.
Wow!
Okay, let me check. Kung wala na siyang lump.
Meron pa konti.
Okay, konti na lang. Okay, so now it's done. What's the next step? The condensed milk. Okay. Ilagay mo na dito yung condensed milk.
All?
Yeah, finish it. Yan. O, diba? Guys, yung nandito sa amin is yung nasa packet. Okay? Yung squeezable. Pwede rin kayo gumamit yung nasa nasa lata. That is around 400 grams. Ayan. Okay, go ahead. Ano yan? Sound of fart? Are you farting? Ayan. Diba? We're playing kasi no school today. Andre has no school today.
Because Teacher's Day.
Because Teacher's Day. So, boring siya. Kaya, ito. Maglaro daw kami. Ayan. So, this is the condensed. Put,
iodine salt.
Not too much. Okay. Yep. Okay. That's perfect. Half teaspoon of salt. Okay. Then, get this, Andre. Okay, let's do it in the fire. Yan. Sige, turn on the fire. Ito na. You get the bangkito there in the other room. So, actually guys, you need to keep stirring this until it boils. Antayin natin kumulo. Yan, kumulo. Kumaladkad sa Bicol. Kumaladkad in Bicol. Yan. To hold this para just in case may may force. Hello, chef. Chef Andre. Okay, nearly boiling, Andre. So what's the next step?
Put cocoa.
Cocoa or the other one first? Cocoa is the last. Or no? What?
Okay, this one.
Okay.
Let us put.
Let me help you.
Because
Alright.
you have
Hold
to
the handle. Yan. Okay. Oh, yan. Very nice. So, kailangan continue lang yung
Mix.
stir. O, diba?
Let us put because we have lubot.
They can hear you with the lubot. Okay, keep stirring, keep stirring. And then once it's boiling, you're gonna put the cocoa powder.
We
Ayan.
use dachi.
Dachi? Dutch. Say Dutch.
Dutch.
So actually, dapat hindi natin yan pinapabubbles para walang ano. So anyway, let's put the
Cocoa.
cocoa, Andre. Hinay, not in one go. Okay, hold the naman for me. You finish it? You finish the cocoa?
No.
Siguro this is enough, ano? Hindi
Yeah.
natin i-finish para may pangsamburado pa tayo. Ay, wala. Nakunti na rin lang yan. Pero anyway.
Niubos na lang.
Baka pumait naman. Hindi na siguro.
Madami yun na friend. La 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 la.
Baka pumait. Kaya,
Look, Mama Kel's technique. Very fast hand. Looks like, fudge.
yeah. Wow. So, yan, hindi pa yan. We're gonna wait until it thickens.
Yeah.
Para hindi siya bumuo doon sa mga gilid. I can feel na. It's really, thickening. Thickening.
Whirlpool.
Uy, baka matalsikan yung cellphone natin, ha?
Hindi man. Malaya man.
Okay.
It smells good.
Yeah, look at that. I can feel it's getting
Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory.
it looks more. Wow. Looks so yummy.
Hot chocolate. Mama, look, may chicharon. May chicharon. Malapit sa knife.
Chicharon?
Yeah, malapit sa knife.
Saan ang chicharon?
Look.
This is
No.
ginger.
That.
This?
Yeah, chicharon.
That's wood.
It is thickening.
Tapos mo muna. Okay, guys, pag ganito na yung texture, ano na, Andre, gagawin natin pag ganito na yung
Add
texture?
butter.
Yeah, we add the butter. Ayan, okay na yan. Ayan.
Looks like frosting.
Ayan.
Frosting.
Kasi ito yung mag-ano. Pag hindi pa, pag kulang pa yan, we will do more.
Add.
Okay?
Yeah.
We will add butter.
Oh, let's turn to low.
Wow, nag-ano na siya. Oh,
Sizzling. Off ka muna.
sige, off mo muna. Okay. Dapat pala may butter talaga siya kasi
Yeah.
yung butter ang mag-aano sa kanya.
We turn off the fire because it's gonna burn.
Ayan. So, pag ganyan na, okay na yan.
Ooh.
Dapat makuha natin yan. O, diba?
Dagaw na. Pero tutong.
Wow. Now we're gonna try it in,
Looks like rice. Pag ako nagsapnak.
smells good. Let's get a bread. Let's get the bread, Andre. Let's put it here.
See that?
And try. Okay.
Guys, if you can smell it, you will be in heaven.
Okay. Mama Raquel is the one who will try
Yeah.
your recipe if it's good.
Because I don't like the
Can you
edge
get
part.
a little knife? Or this one can. No, on the first one.
Knifey, knife.
Yeah, there.
Butcher.
Let's try.
Butcher knife.
Wow, oh my god.
Ooh. It's
I will
blind.
be your judge, Andre, for your recipe.
Hehe.
Guys, by the way, Andre get this recipe in
TikTok.
TikTok. So Mama Raquel is the one who will judge. Whoa. It's folded.
We are still gonna make cookies and apple pie.
It's good. Mm.
Still hot.
No, it's good, guys. Try it. Wow. So this is our Nutella light. Nutella light.
It really tastes like Nutella.
Wow. Maybe it needs more butter. If you will do it, put more butter. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we're done.
Next recipe.
Next recipe.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.